Hi, Desiree. So I'm just looking at your designs. They look good. Um, I think that this is a nice image. I just wish that maybe you would put like a little bit of a image, like something in the image, like some kind of text, like new home owners might have worked. Or if you're offering a deal, it's a great idea to put the deal like 30% off. Um, in the actual image itself with like big lettering. So if we look at your ad, is there a deal that you're offering here? 15% off. So you could have put the big 15% off up here, and then they could have, read that, um, and maybe even, but this one looks pretty good. Applies to all new homeowners. Also, I was hoping that you would have just taken your screenshot of this, just this part of it, not the whole screen. If you do Command Shift 4 on your keyboard, you'll get a crosshair, and you can use that. But let's get to before, after. So you did that with this. You put in, and I like the little frame you put around here and your arrows that kind of show this is, it transformed into that. So that's good. Let's look at the actual ad here. We're offering a discount. So, I mean, this is kind of redundant. I mean, this is not a very good headline. I mean, you could have just put this, get 25% off all exteriors. Or you could say like, business owner discount, get 25% off all storefront exteriors. But I do like the way you're using a question in your ad. Kind of makes it a little more personal. See, this one's just plain. It would have been nice to have something in here. Like I said, if you're offering a discount in your Facebook ad, then this would be, a good place to put it in larger, colorful fonts, potentially. And then if I look here, yep, 30% off. So you could have put 30% off, like just in like big text right here. Like 30% could be stacked on top of off, and it could just be big there. So you forgot the D in need to repaint your walls. Need your walls repainted, right? Maybe just need to repaint your walls would have been a little bit more grammatically, correct, maybe. Get a 30% discount today. I mean, you could say get 30% off today, plus a free quote, that's a good one. You put that in there, that free. Sometimes you can use all caps on free too. And I like that you used a different button, button text in each of your, and they all make sense. So you did really well. There's just a few small things that you were missing. So anyway, have a good summer.